Steel fangs tear through wood, saw blades scream as trees crash to the ground, and mighty forestry machines unleash their raw power. Brace yourself for an adrenaline-fueled adventure. Every second is packed with heart-pounding action. Don't blink, or you'll miss the thrill.
Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Just go all the way with it! Keep going! Go! Oh, get going! There it goes!
The Cat 525C, a beast of the forest, built to conquer the wild. With its massive grapple, it seizes towering logs as if they were twigs, dragging them effortlessly through the rugged terrain. Meet the John Deere Harvester, a true titan of logging machinery. Equipped with a high-performance harvester head, H480C or H415, it grips and cuts trees with unmatched precision, handling logs up to 710 mm, 28 in diameter. Powered by a high-performance diesel engine exceeding 300 HP, this beast grinds through vegetation with unstoppable force. Tree cutting is not an easy job. You always need to be careful at all times. Witness the excavator-mounted stump grinder, a true juggernaut of land clearing. With a massive rotating blade, it tears through stubborn tree stumps, reducing them to dust in mere seconds. Every turn of its razor-sharp teeth unleashes raw power, shaking the earth as it reclaims the land.
Keep going! Keep going! Here she comes! Here it comes! Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Behold the Ponce Harvester, the undisputed ruler of the winter forest. With its towering hydraulic arm and precision cutting head, it fells trees with effortless grace, slicing through the frozen wilderness like a blade through silk. With its hydraulic grapple, Timber Pro TL735D effortlessly lifts and stacks massive logs with the precision of a master craftsman. Each movement is a display of raw power and engineering excellence. No high-tech machinery, no hydraulic systems, just pure ingenuity and brute force, proving that sometimes, raw power and creativity are all you need to conquer nature's obstacles. The unstoppable power of the industrial wood shredder, a mechanical beast that turns logs and pallets into a torrent of wood chips in seconds. Enter the relentless force of the mulching machine, built to tame the wildest terrains with sheer power. Armed with a high-speed rotating drum, it pulverizes trees and thick vegetation in seconds, turning dense forests into manageable landscapes. A true titan of the forest, this powerful harvester dominates the woodland with unmatched precision. With its mechanized arm and razor-sharp cutting head, it fells trees in mere seconds, stripping branches and preparing logs with effortless efficiency. Its rugged, all-terrain wheels and high-torque hydraulic system ensure stability even in the most challenging landscapes. Like a relentless force of destruction, this stump grinder tears through wood with ease, leaving nothing but fine sawdust in its wake. With its razor-sharp rotating disc, it shreds stubborn tree stumps into oblivion, ensuring no trace of their once mighty presence remains. Designed for ultimate precision and efficiency, this machine transforms the toughest terrain into a smooth, cleared landscape. Amidst the cold, shadowy depths of the forest, a mechanical beast awakens. Its powerful hydraulic arm reaches out, gripping a fallen tree with an unyielding grasp. Floodlights pierce the dim woodland, illuminating the scene as this forestry titan effortlessly maneuvers through the rugged terrain. With precision and brute force, it clears the way, transforming dense, untamed wilderness into an organized landscape. In the heart of nature's dominion, this machine reigns supreme, proving that no terrain is too tough, no challenge too great. With surgical precision, the hydraulic arm extends, seizing a fallen tree like a predator locking onto its prey. In mere seconds, it processes the timber, stripping away branches and cutting it to perfection. This is not just a machine, it's the master of the wild, bending nature to its will with unstoppable power.
Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god.
A titan roars to life with its towering grapple and formidable wheels, defies the bitter cold, hauling logs as though they weigh nothing. Powerful floodlights cut through the winter gloom, revealing a marvel of engineering forged to tame nature's most unforgiving realms. Its robust diesel engine churns with relentless vigor, while the articulated frame grants nimble movement among the trees. Through drifts and icy paths, it advances without pause, loading and transporting timber in a seamless ballet of power and precision. Here, in the silent kingdom of towering pines, this machine stands as an unstoppable force, shaping the winter woods with mechanical might. A relentless battlefield of industrial might unfolds beneath the gray sky. A towering red excavator stretches its steel arm, gripping massive bundles of logs and feeding them into the gaping maw of a colossal yellow grinder. Dust erupts, branches are shredded, and the entire scene pulses with an unyielding mechanical rhythm. The grinding beast devours the remains of the forest, spewing out a torrent of wood chips like a furious storm. A perfect display of human dominance over nature, where every grab, every turn of the gears, drives the cycle of transformation. A raw display of power and precision. Under the glaring sun, a bright orange tractor stands firm, its relentless wood chipper poised for action. A man, clad in casual attire, fearlessly approaches, lifting the machine's gaping mouth as if awakening a slumbering beast. The air is thick with anticipation. The moment a branch is fed into its steel jaws, the machine will roar to life, tearing through wood with merciless efficiency.